Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And today we're looking at putting together a little box. It's going to be a niceness for Garner down in Texas. Stay tuned while we show you what all is going to be in the box. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, a lot of you know that we've done several nicenesses over the year. We raised money for eyeglasses. We raised money for Christmas parties for all the Grumman shops back in the day. And I thank all of you who contributed on the Grumman Gang for doing that. But as we're getting ready for things to go out, we're getting a package ready to go down to Garner Rice in Texas. Now, the Orville Redenbacher that you see here, that's just a little add-on to fill the box up. Every once in a while we pick a treat that we think that Garner might like. But what's really going in the box for Garner are these oyster crackers that are made by Skyline Chili. We in the South have had oyster crackers, and it's something that we throw in gumbos and soups and stuff. But up here in Cincinnati, Skyline Chili, which is a chili put over spaghetti, they make an oyster cracker, and believe it or not, they do taste different from the oyster crackers that we were used to getting in the South. Now, Garner and I were both raised in the South, so we're familiar with oyster crackers, but he and I both agree these taste a little bit differently. Now, I don't know if Garner's ever tried ordering these on the web, but periodically Luann will go to the store and we'll grab 2 or 3 boxes and we'll put them in a bigger box and we'll mail them down to Garner. He uses these as a treat. He likes to munch on these when he's driving his truck, to a location or back from a location. They're a little snack for him. Nothing much, but something that he really likes, and we like to put a smile on his face. So we're mentioning this to you because I know a lot of you know Garner Rice and know what a great guy he was. So if you can find these Skyline Chili oyster crackers, be sure to send Garner a couple of boxes. He will be surprised when boxes start showing up. So again, I'd like everybody to try to send some to Garner, and if you've got his address, feel free to, and if not, don't worry about it. It's no big deal. But these are the kind of things that we do. We box up stuff that we know that people's like, and we send it to them as a surprise. So when you get a box from us, it'll either be airplane parts or something that we thought that would make your day. So we hope you found all of this useful and informative. Thanks for thinking about helping me surprise Garner down in Texas. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. Thank you.
And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I would throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.